what's happening? Have you been there long? So welcome to Life in a Van. Welcome to a new series. If you enjoy, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. You don't want to miss out on any future videos. So even though the van is not quite finished yet, I want to start spending a little more time in it. Now that the weather's getting nicer, I want to get out here and start kind of getting an idea of things that I'm going to need, things that I'm not going to need, what's going to come out to be more important than other things. And my hope is after this summer that this thing's going to be finished, roadworthy, ready to go on a trip, get up and go. So stay tuned for those videos because there's going to be a lot of work going on in here this summer. Even though I have a general layout idea of what I want this to be, it's still good to kind of spend more time and get an idea of where I should be going forward. And I'm getting kind of hungry, so I think it might be time for some breakfast. So since I've got this sort of outdoor grill set up, meal prepping is going to be a very important part in my van life. There's my breakfast for a little while. I'm going to cook up a bunch of this, and that's going to be what I eat for however long it lasts me. So my thought here is, while I have the grill out and I'm actually cooking, I might as well just cook up a bunch of stuff while I'm doing it, so that way I can just kind of stick it into the fridge and have things ready that I can stick in the microwave, heat up whenever I want to actually eat them. And that way I'm not worrying about having to cook every single day. So here's the fridge. There's actually a lot of space in here. Right now I've got some strawberries and some almond milk, some beef sticks, water bottles. You gotta have your beer. Gotta stay stocked up on the beer. And down here, more strawberries and some sausages. And so when the sausages I'm cooking for breakfast right now are done, they're gonna get stuck into here too, and that's just gonna be my breakfast for a little while. Another big thing up here in the freezer, I've got these frozen meals, and so when I'm not cooking, I can always just heat up these in the microwave and have a nice lunch or dinner, something to eat, as well as these beef sticks. Beef sticks and strawberries makes a pretty good meal. And these are freezer packed for my cooler. Alright everybody, thanks for joining me for this episode of Life in a Van. Taking a little bit of a sneak peek into my life here in the van. I'm not going to be able to do everything in the van quite yet because it's not finished, but I'm gonna try and spend a lot of time out here. And I'm going to take you guys with me on my journey. Stay tuned for the next one, where we'll be tackling another thing that I will face daily living in a van. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that stuff. You want to stay up to date on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next one.